we were learning the one more thing called the hastas. What were we learning?
Hastas.
Hastas are hand gestures. Open your hand like this and show me your palm. This is called, you stretch all your fingers out. It's called pataka. Pataka. Correct. Fold your, all the fingers should be stretched out. Akhileshri, pataka தெரியும் தானே உனக்கு? பதாக்கா எப்படி காமிக்கிறது? காமி. அகிலேஷ்ரி எப்படி பண்றது பதாக்கம்? எனக்கு கை தெரியல. இப்படி கை காமி, எப்படி காமி? பதாக்க. Correct. In that patakam, if you bend your ring finger is, this is the little finger, and the next finger is the ring finger. Bend your ring finger. Correct. Correct. Wow. Okay. Yes, Ira. Correct. Okay, very good. Okay. The ring finger is bent. Tripataka. Tripataka. Correct. And if you bend both your little finger and your ring finger, it's called the Ardhapataka. Ardhapataka. Pataka. Pataka. Tripataka. Tripataka. Ardhapataka. Ardhapataka. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು அப்படின்னா எனது பெயர் எனது பெயர் பதாக்கம் பதாக்கம் I write means my name is பதாக்கம் பதாக்கம் காட்டுவேன் அபயஹஸ்தம் நான் காட்டுவேன் அபயஹஸ்தம் I show the blessing hands I show the blessing hands ரமணனின் அபயஹஸ்தம் Ramana's blessing hands அனைவருக்கும் நிச்சயம் கரெக்ட் ரமணரின் அபயஹஸ்தம் அனைவருக்கும் நிச்சயம் நிச்சயம் நெக்ஸ்ட் எனது பெயர் திரிபதாக்கம் எனது பெயர் திரிபதாக்கம் நான் காட்டுவேன் ஜோதியை நான் காட்டுவேன் ஜோதியை ஜோதி 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 ரூப ரமணரை ஜோதி ரூப ரமணனை வணங்குவேன் வணங்குவேன் நான் அனுதினம் ஜோதி ரூப ரமணனை வணங்குவேன் நான் அனுதினம் வணங்குவேன் நான் அனுதினம் எனது பெயர் அர்த்தபதாக்கம் எனது பெயர் அர்த்தபதாக்கம் and it is used to show the horns of a cow. How to show horns of a cow? பசுவின் கொம்பினை நான் குறிப்பேன் பசுவின் கொம்பின் நான் குறிப்பேன் பசுலக்ஷ்மியின் கொம்புகளாகி அகிலேஷ் கை இப்படி தலை மேல வச்சுக்கணும் இப்படி கொம்பு மாதிரி பசுவின் கொம்பு மாதிரி கரெக்ட் பசுலக்ஷ்மியின் கொம்புகளாகி ரமணரின் பாதம் வணங்குவேன் ரமணரின் பாதம் வணங்குவேன் ரமணரின் பாதம் வணங்குவேன் very good this hasta is used to show cow Lakshmi what meher cow Lakshmi came to Ramana Tata when she was a small calf what was she small calf And when she came to Ramana Tata was so sweet. What was he? So sweet. So Ramana Tata told, but we don't have place to keep a cow and calf. What did he say? We don't have place. Please take it away. What did he say? Please take it
Please
away.
take it away.
But the devotee who had brought the calf told, sorry, Ramana Tata, I can't take it. What did he say? I can't take it. Please have it. Please have it. And then Ramana Tata told, okay, let us keep this cow in a cow shed. Where shall we keep it? In a cow shed away in the town. But the calf used to come every day to Ramana Tata. It's run, run, run and come to Ramana Tata. And Ramana Tata used to give the calf idlis. What? Idlis. Tasty, tasty idlis. And Ramana Tata also used to give nice bananas. What used to give? Banana. Does Ira like banana?
Yes.
Yes. Bananas are sweet and soft. How are they? Sweet and soft, right? So, ரமணா தாத்தா வந்துட்டு என்ன கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க? வாழைப்பழம். என்ன வாழைப்பழம்? வாழைப்பழம். அகிலேஷ் வாழைப்பழம் சாப்பிடுறாரா? சாப்பிடுறியா? Very good. Okay. And Lakshmi used to have, and Lakshmi from small calf, she became big cow. What did she become? Big cow. Big cow, and she used to come every day to Ramana Tata, and she used to bow down to Ramana Tata like this. How did she bow down? Bow down like this. And Ramana Tata used to pat Lakshmi like this. What used to do? Pat the head. And Lakshmi used to be so happy. Yes. One day she told Ramana Tata, I can't go to my house and come. I can't go home and come to ashram. I want to be here. What? I want to be here. Can you build a house for me? Can you build a house? And Ramana Tata asked the devotees, can we build a Goshala for Lakshmi? Can we build a house for Lakshmi? And everybody told, yes, yes, Bhagavan. What does it say? Yes, yes, Bhagavan. We will build a house for Lakshmi. So they used a saw to cut the wood. How do you cut wood? Zzz, 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 zzz. They cut the wood like this and they made a Goshala. Nice big house for Lakshmi. And Lakshmi, she did not go inside the Goshala. She told, no, no, I want Ramana Tata to go first. Ramana Tata to go first. And when Ramana Tata went inside the Goshala, she happily followed Ramana Tata. And she lived happily in Ramana Tata's ashram. And cow Lakshmi gave birth to many, 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 many cows. Right? In Ramana Tata's ashram. In Ramana Tata's ashram. Happily. Happily. Oh, so many. Oh, so many cows I see. Cows I see. Happily. Here is a cow. Here is a cow. There is a cow. Here and there. Amba. What does the cow say? Amba. Here is a cow. There is a cow. Here and there. Amba, they move. In Ramana Tata's ashram. Happily. Hap, hap,
Happy.
happily. Hap, hap, happily.
Happy.
Happily.
Very good.